Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to shut down and restart your Windows computer with just a click. In fact, I want to create a shutdown and restart icon on my Windows desktop so that whenever necessary, I can turn off or restart Windows with just one click. Okay, let's go. To create a shutdown button, right-click on the desktop, select New, and then Shortcut. In the Type the location of the item, type Shutdown-S-T0. -S stands for shutdown, and -T sets the time delay before the shutdown. Click Next. Choose a name for the shutdown shortcut such as shutdown or power off, and click Finish. As you can see, the icon of shutdown is placed on the desktop, and you can also change the icon of this, which I am doing now. It is done. Now I want to create a restart button. Right-click on the desktop. Select New and then Shortcut. In the Type the location of the item, type Shutdown-R-T0. -R stands for restart, and -T sets the time delay before the restart. Click Next. And I choose a name for the restart shortcut. As you can see, the icon of restart is placed on the desktop. I want to change the icon of restart shortcut. Okay, now let's go and test it.